Actron Air's Hercules is the most advanced, energy-efficient packaged unit air conditioner ever made in Australia. Designed for large spaces such as warehouse stores, shopping centres, airport terminals and car showrooms, Hercules is big in lots of ways. It's packed with twin inverter compressors and it's rated to a superior operating range to handle the harshest conditions Australia can throw at it. But along with all that brawn comes some very brainy, energy-efficient thinking. Actron Air was the first air conditioning company in Australia to use inverter technology in a large-scale commercial air conditioner, which allows for superb flexibility. Although powerful enough to handle a 195 kilowatt load, Hercules can ramp right down to 25% capacity, saving you a lot of energy when load requirements are down. Considering commercial buildings operate on part load 98% of the time, that's important. For such a big unit, Hercules kicks off with a tiny nudge, just 25 amps at startup. That's smaller than most home air conditioners. It can make a big difference to the cost of installation, reducing infrastructure costs and the load on the grid. Not having to upgrade the mains could save you a packet. Australia throws up some extreme weather, but Hercules is up to the task. It's designed and built in Australia for Australian conditions. Most overseas air conditioners only work up to 46 degrees, some just 43 degrees. Fair enough, they come from cooler climates. Our Hercules, however, has an operating range up to 50 degrees. Doesn't get that hot where you are? Think again. Temperatures around the unit can be a lot hotter than what they're saying on the weather report. Typically, for a large building, that's up on the roof, in the direct sun. In the Australian heat, where other air conditioners struggle and shut down, it's better for business to have a system you can rely on. For a unit of this size and capacity, Hercules is incredibly energy efficient. It boasts the highest energy efficiency in its class with an IEER of 4.29. That's over 46% more efficient than the minimum BCA compliance system. The EC indoor and outdoor fans deliver improved performance and efficiency compared to AC technology. And because the outdoor fan is controlled by Actron Smart Logic, it delivers just the right amount of airflow for the conditions, with lower sound levels. Hercules coil guards, which offer protection from hail damage and other weather events, can be removed for coil cleaning and maintenance. And the powder-coated outdoor panels have been exhaustively tested against stringent Australian standards. The engineering is awesome. The Hercules has two variable speed compressors that more closely match the thermal needs of a building. Its capacity can be adjusted right down to 25%, with both compressors ramping up and down at the same time to reduce indoor coil bypass air and maximise efficiency. More flexibility and better engineering means more comfortable spaces, tenants and customers. Hercules delivers highly tuned temperature stability to plus or minus 0.3 of a degree. And you can control that on or off site as it's compatible with most BMS systems. Just because it's big doesn't mean it has to be complex. With Hercules, you have control that's as comprehensive as it is user-friendly. Take setting the airflow as an example. With some systems, that can take hours. Thanks to Hercules' better controls, it takes minutes. Its flexibility makes for a better installation too. Hercules has multiple handling options to choose from. Outside air can be introduced manually or automatically. Its unique design means a lower system height for easier positioning. It's container transportable, and installation time is reduced thanks to the flexibility of its ducting connections. That's impressive. Actron Air is big on service too. Hercules is designed and manufactured in Australia, so you'll never have to call overseas or wait long for service and support. Our national service network has staff on the ground and parts on the shelves. Australian business depends on reliable, cost-effective and energy-efficient air conditioning. With Hercules, you've got it, big time. It's why more than 250,000 Aussies take comfort in Actron Air. That's better, that's Actron.